Alright, welcome to this video tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create something like this. I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can set this personal portfolio up. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. I'm already in mine. They will be installing a plugin and a theme. The first theme you will install is hover over appearance, go to theme. Okay, the first theme you install is this Astra theme. I've installed mine. Okay, I don't want us to waste time, that's why I installed it. You install Astra theme. Then the next thing you install is you go to plugin, go over plugin. We're going to install starter template. You can see I have it already installed. Look at it here. So these are the two plugins that you're going to install. Once you are done installing the two plugins, then the next thing you need to do is to start building your website. We're going to import a complete website from starter. That was all we installed, the starter template. So that's all we're going to use. So I'm going to click on starter template. Just hover over appearance, then select starter template, click on it. Okay, I usually select free to make it a bit faster. Okay, alright, let's scroll down and search for this particular theme template. Let's go. Some are premium templates, while some are free. So I'm going for the free one. Look at it here. So this is the one we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to import complete site. Click on complete, import complete site. Remember, if you have anything installed on your site, it's going to override them. Okay, so I'm clicking on next. Sorry. Okay, click on next. Skip this. Okay, we're going to overwrite anything that is in the site already. Click on next. Let's wait. Okay, our site is installed. Let's view it in the new tab. Good. This is the site that we just installed. The next thing we need to do is to start customizing it to our taste. So click on this edit with Elementor. Boom, we are there. So the next thing we need to do is to start editing any of the section that I don't like. So let's start with this. Let me start with this. I'm going to change this to learn more. Okay. Alright, then this one, I'm going to change it to just anything. I don't want this thing to It's too long. Let me just say start. So let me change the background color of this from that white to something else. So just click on this style. Okay, I'm going to select the background color. Let me make it something different. Let's say blue, but not. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, make it this. All right, then remember to update your work. Once you make any change, just update it and continue doing your change. And if you make mistake, you want to revise it back, just click on this history. Click on this history. You can see, click on any of these things. You can actually revise it back to how it were before you made that mistake. So let's continue. These ones are okay. The only thing I need to do, let me just change the text, the topography of this. Click on this. Okay, change the topography to something, increase the size of the text. Okay, and let me make it 20. Then let me change the font style. Let me just give it something, just to tell you that I can actually do anything you want with a particular page builder. I love Elementor so much. So any of the section you don't like, just go down. I like this picture. Let's say I want to remove this picture. I just click on this section. Okay, then click on style. Boom, there's the picture. You now remove the picture and replace with your own image. Okay, and let's go down. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments at the comment section. If there's any video you want me to do for, let me know. I can handle it very well. Okay, any of them that you just want to work on, just click on it. By this text, let's say I want this text to be white and I want the background to be black. And make the text white, make it white. Okay, and let me make the background black. Okay, to be honest, to learn, the best way to learn Elementor page builder is by practice. Just practice it. Nobody will be able to teach you the way. The only thing you need is just the guide, which I'm giving you now, and other people on the internet can actually give you. All you need is just the guide. You can never get it perfect until you start learning it. So you can say, I'm actually doing this thing, showing you what you can actually do with them. Now let's say you want to change this icon here. All you need to do, is to open. I don't want to close this page builder. All you need to do is to open this, then click on customize. Okay. Can see, click on customize. This is header builder. Click on this header builder. Site identity and logo. Click on it. This is it. You can remove this. So just click on change logo and you select logo from your, let me just click. I'm not changing it, just want to show you. You can now select logo from your system. If you don't have, you can actually go to your system and pick any of the logo and drop it here to change the logo. The same thing with the site logo. Just come down here, cut it here, you remove it and put another one. Okay, the site icon, this is the site icon. This thing at the top here is the site icon. And let's go back. Let me show you more things that I can actually do. Let's go to the menu. Click on menu. You can create menu from here. Okay, you can create a new menu from here. Let's click on this so that you see the menu that we have here. These are the menus that we have here: home, about, email, courses, contact us. You can add item. If for this I want to add something like category, you can actually add it here. If you want to add another menu, you can actually create it and add it here. Okay, so these are the things you can do in this axis. You can also change, just go through it. You see a lot of things that you can do depending on what you are trying to achieve with your website. This is the global color. The global color of this container. You can see you can increase or reduce the width of the, but I highly recommend leave it default. Don't touch anything here unless if you are a professional. Okay, and go back. If you must touch, it should be the colors or the topography. Like this color, you can actually make it your own way. Okay, then here the topography, you can change the heading. Okay, you can change the heading of the topography, the color. Okay, the heading, that's it. You can change the text transformation to something different, maybe capital, uppercase, lowercase, or you leave it at inherent. You can change the family, the font family from where it is now to something different. You can see Badana, Area, Times. So these are how you can actually do all these things. You can change the first font size to beyond 60. You can change the weight. These are the things you can actually do with this particular session. Once you are done editing it, just click on publish. Okay, now I'm going to exit and go back to Elementor. So let's go back to Elementor. This is Elementor. So basically this is how you can edit all these things. Elementor page builder is very simple to use, but it is not something you can learn under a day. You just walk around it and you are good to go. Let's say you want to add another session. All you need to do is to click on this. Let's say you want to add 3 sessions. Just click on this very one. Okay, you can see I have 3 sections now. That means I want to add text area. Just pick this text editor. Okay, put it inside. And here you start typing whatever thing you want to type. Okay, once you are done, click on update. This is where all the tools are. All the tools you want to use, this is where they are. Then from here down is for pro. Okay, all these ones are for pro, or these ones are the ones you can use for free. Okay, like let me icon list. Okay, let's say I want to pick this icon list. I can actually bring it here. Let me show you how it is. This is what we call icon list. You can delete. You can see they are in different types, so you make your choice. Let me use the first one. So I'm going to delete these two. Then I'm going to duplicate. These ones. Okay, you can see they are going. Now if I want to change the color, just click on style. Okay, look at icon. So let's change the color to something else. Let's see, and let me make it green so you can see it very well. Okay, and let's say the text. Let's make the text black. Okay, let's make it black. Okay, so let's give it text indent. Push it a bit from the text. Okay, let's increase the size. Okay, line height. Yeah, so just play around it. It is very simple. You just need a training. So let's make the weight 500. Okay, so these are the way you can actually do it. You can align it to right, you can align it to center, you can align it to left, whichever way that works for you, depending on what you're actually trying to achieve. You can space the text. If you notice, it's going down. So these are where you get the tools that you're supposed to use. This is the heading. For instance, let me say I want to put the heading here. Just click on this plus, then drag the heading here, put it there. You can see the heading here. Then you start typing here. Start typing here. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size. Click on typography. With that you can be able to reduce the size of the text. But decide to center it. Click on content, then center it. Okay, these are the things you can do here. Let's say I want to add image. Just below this very one, just type image. This is image icon. Just drag it. I want to place it below this text, then leave it there. Okay, you can see it. I will click on this and pick an image from my computer. Yes, I want to pick this one. Click on insert media. You can see the image has been inserted. Okay, so if I want to drag this one, if I want to put the image at the center, all I need to do is to click on this column, then drag it to this particular place and leave it. Okay, you can see the image has been repositioned. So these are the way you can actually play around with this, and you start doing it by yourself, but it's going to take you some effort to start doing it, but it's worth doing it. Once you can do this thing, you start designing website for people. I know how much I'm supposed to pay if I've asked somebody to design this particular e-commerce store for me. I did it myself. Okay, so I'm just only trying to encourage you that it's very simple. All you need is to start doing the stuff. So the next thing I want you to learn is I don't want to add more plugin. So the next thing I want you to learn is let's update this. Okay, let's go and refresh. It is that we added something now. Let's refresh so that you can see the thing that we just added now. Okay, this is the image we just added now. Okay, so this is how you can actually design this portfolio website for either yourself or your client. So please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.